Gangsta! Hey, what's up? How y'all doing? Doing good? I'm in a very, very weird mood right now. So, hey, Max. Oh, no, baby. Oh, and there's guys. I got both the babies. What's up, baby? Come in. Come in. Oh. He's killing my uterus. Oh, I got it. Ow. You hit my gauge, you asshole. Oh. Max, will you get down now? This is Max. I don't know how old he is, and no, I don't know what his breed is. I think it's like Ridgeback something and like a lab or something. Gus, on the other hand, is Golden Retriever. Retriever. This is Gus. He's a little camera shy. Say hi, guys. Hi. Oh, there we go. Okay. But those are my dogs, since I've learned that a lot of you like my dogs. This camera confuses me. I need a pen. I'm gonna go. Look, there's Max. Look how cute he is. I love you. Bye.